Hello, Namaste. So, today we are going to learn this particular pranayama called Ujjayi pranayama. It is almost like the most famous pranayama out there, which most of the students and teachers keep talking about, like how to do Ujjayi. Even when I was very new to the yoga, I was like, what is this Ujjayi? How to do this? So after learning how to do Ujjayi from so many teachers and a couple of books, I came to this practice, which I find to be the most easiest and the most simple and the most effective form of Ujjayi pranayama. It's very easy. You can do it almost effortlessly, like without doing anything except just a little effort. It's not even effort, just technique. So it's a basic simple technique. So first thing is, you might have heard about this mudra called Khechari mudra. Actually, if you are following the tradition of Satyananda Yoga's tradition, Swami Satyananda Saraswati, he also combines this particular mudra along with Ujjayi pranayama. So Ujjayi pranayama has Khechari mudra in it. So first thing is, we have to do Khechari mudra. Khechari mudra is very simple. So make a pointed tip with your tongue like this. So the tongue is pointed, and just for the absolute beginners, touch the tip of the tongue to the hard palate, the roof of your mouth, like that, and just do your normal natural breathing or yogic breathing. Just touch the tip of the tongue to the roof of your mouth and just forget about everything and keep breathing. It becomes Ujjayi practice. For as you keep practicing, you can slowly increase the flexibility of your tongue and the stretchability of your tongue with practice over a few weeks or months. Then you can stretch the tongue more and touch the tip of the tongue at the soft palate or at the roof of your mouth at the back, where you can feel that the flesh is actually softer compared to the hard palate. Okay? In the initial days, you may find that it is difficult or there is pain at the tongue. Then you can release the tongue lock, and again you can do the Khechari mudra. Okay? Do the Khechari mudra and forget about everything else and keep breathing with Khechari mudra. Again it becomes Ujjayi. If you want to understand what I'm talking about, is when your tongue is like this, the throat passage has a slight block and complete air doesn't go. So when you actually do the Khechari, the blockage is opened and more air can go into the body. Also, if you want, you can just test it. Place palm at your throat and breathe. Feel how easy or difficult the breath is, and then do Khechari and then breathe. feel the difference between normal breathing and breathing with Kechari Mudra. You will observe that with Kechari, it's far easier to breathe and more amount of oxygen, air is going in and out, in and out. Also, you can feel the difference of muscle movements when you are releasing the Kechari Mudra and holding the Kechari Mudra. All the muscles at the throat get engaged. Okay, so this is the most natural and simple and easy way of doing Ujjayi Pranayama. Just hold Kechari and do normal deep breathing. It becomes Ujjayi. Ujjayi now is also called as victorious breath, or actually I feel the most apt name for this is its alternative name, or called as the psychic breath. So Ujjayi is also called psychic breath, and this is most apt because it really takes you into deep relaxation and takes you to a psychic plane. Your mind is completely and totally relaxed. And before sleep, if you do Ujjayi with Kechari Mudra, you will feel relaxed quickly and you will go into deeper states of mind and deeper sleep easily with Ujjayi and Kechari Mudra. So I hope this is going to be helpful for you. No confusion, nothing to do. Just Kechari Mudra, eyes closed, normal breathing. That's Ujjayi. Okay. Take care. Okay, now let's look at an advanced form of Kechari Mudra. When you're entering the advanced stages, when you have practiced Kechari Mudra for a while, like 2-3 months, then the next stage would be, instead of just touching the tip of the tongue, you try to touch the back portion of the tongue as well. Like if this is the tip of your tongue forward, you try to touch the back portion of the tongue to the roof of your mouth, like this, at the soft palate, which you can feel a nice stretch all over this region if you do this particular mudra. This really enhances your breath and Ujjayi Pranayama practice and really improves your relaxation and relaxed states.